What is the purpose of stemless wine glasses? Have you ever wondered what the purpose of stemless wine glasses is? Many people seem to be confused about what stemless wine glasses are and why they're so popular. This may not be an issue for you, but if you have any questions, this is the place to find out. Why use a stemless wine glass? The stemless wine glass may be the younger sibling of its stemmed counterpart. The lack of a foot and corresponding weight for stability makes this type of drinking experience more casual than an average stemmed goblet, though these qualities also make it perfect for anyone who wants less fuss without sacrificing style or elegance when pouring their favorite drink. Here are a few factors you might want to consider when buying a stemless wine glass. Temperature. Many different factors affect the quality of your wine experience. One important factor is temperature, which can be compromised in stemless glasses, since holding them on top warms up to our hands. It lets alcohol evaporate faster without letting it mesh well with other ingredients like aroma or flavors. Here's the best temperature to serve your wine. Sparkling wines like champagne should be served ice cold, 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 3.3 to 10 degrees Celsius. Delicate white wines and rose wines should be served fridge cold, 44 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit or 6.6 to 13.8 degrees Celsius. Rich white wines should be served fridge cold, 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit or 7.2 to 12.7 degrees Celsius. Light red wines should be served cool, 53 to 63 degrees Fahrenheit or 11.6 to 17.2 degrees Celsius. Rich red should be served slightly cool, 44 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit or 17.2 to 20.5 degrees Celsius. Flavor and aroma. As mentioned earlier, the higher temperature makes alcohol evaporate faster. This means that there can be a lot less flavor and aroma in your wine if you prefer holding it or putting it on the table rather than taking off one like with stemless glass, because this is what drives most evaporation at such high heats. Compared to a wine tumbler, the stemless wine glass is still the better choice. Convenience. Picnics and casual outdoor parties are a perfect setting for stemless wine glasses. These sleek, easy-to-pack wine cups offer you the best of both worlds: the stability of traditional glassware, but without any stems that could be knocked over by accident. They're great in modern bars because they make it easier for people new at drinking alcohol, especially millennials. Etiquette. It is more convenient and appropriate for young adults who are not yet seasoned in the social limelight. In the end, your choice of a wine glass is up to you. Some people can drink from any type of cup or even something as unconventional as their bottle. Still, for those who enjoy finer things in life, there's no point drinking out anything other than stemless cups that are specially designed with one specific grape variety on them. It makes sense, right? Don't let anyone else tell what kind you should use unless they offer to buy all three types so that they have options. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Hit the notification bell button so you'll be updated on our latest videos.